Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Tell Daddy to stop working. Come on. Oh my God.
Riley, are you sad? No?
You want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
The door. All the way.
What face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stained booty?
I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?